What's up, titas and titas? So we are unboxing the Nike What The Metcons. Okay, Nike Metcon 6s. These are called the What The Metcon colorway. So, yeah, these are not mine. Disclaimer. These are not mine. So, I am gonna give literally Junie who lent me her pair. Yeah. Alright, Junie lent me her pair and she's kindly letting me unbox it for her. I'm gonna rip this to shreds. Ooh! Look at that! Look at that! I hope there's no mouse or like a rat when I open this. Right, just to making sure that there are no mice inside the box.
Dead by now, if at all.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm gonna freak out if there's a mouse. Okay, so let's see. This came from where? The UK. Right, ordered this pair from whatever it takes. Women's Nike Metcon 6X in Volt Black Hyper Punch. One Punch Man. Hyper Punch. Alright, obviously it's a women's 8. So, let's get that out of the way. No mouse so far. Okay, you have your bring some fire to your next workout with our full library of training playlists created to not affiliated with What The Metcon. That's pretty cool. They even have it. They even have their own playlist for it with DJ Zach Wild and his throwback tunes. Alrighty, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wow, look at that. So this pair is a mismatched pair. As you can see, they come in different colors, and they do come with that standard hyper lift to help you out with your mobility, especially if you're going to be doing squats, wall balls, some Olympic weightlifting and stuff. And then if you haven't seen our review of the Nike Metcon 6, check it out. It's pretty much the same. Oh, look. If you guys remember the first band Metcons, the Jordan themed color, the breads, has that X inside. Check it out. It has that X inside.
What's the other side?
The other side is just, what does it say?
Metcon Knows.
Metcon. Oh yeah, it's a throwback to the Metcon Knows, to the Bo Jackson ones. Oh, there it is. Metcon Knows and the X and the X. So nice. So there it is now. Okay, so check this out here. It's a little detail here. The swoosh here is surrounded by like a spray paint kind of graphic. And I like how you remember the Kobe Grinch. Kobe Grinches. It's the same color. It looks like the same color, and that fades to a pink. Reminds me of another Kobe colorway. I don't know. It does remind me of that Kobe colorway. And then this one, the inside. If I'm not mistaken, there is a Metcon 6 colorway that looks just like this, but then they divide it into 3. Oh yeah, there you are at the South Beach. So yeah, we're gonna see these on feet in a bit. Behind, exclamation point on one side, question mark on the other. You also have this felt. Oh yeah, so you could probably put patches like the old Metcon 4s. Yeah, old Metcon 4s with the patches. So you can put patches on the outside of the left shoe and then on the inside of the right shoe. Chrome finish will flake off with use over time. That's them telling you that their shoe, the paint isn't so great. So okay, whatever, right? Yeah, you can write.
Whiteboard.
You can write with a Sharpie. So you can write your name. You can write your boyfriend's name, your girlfriend's name, your kid's name. You can write LeBron knows, Lakers 2020 champs. Woohoo! All right, cat's name. So it's pretty much the same if you ask me about my pair. This is slightly more rigid. The tongue is slightly more rigid than my pair. So we'll see it on feet in a bit. It's a girl pa. Oh, ano? It's a girl.
Or a guy with a man bun.
No, it's a guy.
With a man bun.
Yeah, yung mustache, yung goatee.
It's a girl.
So this is Junie. Junie lent us her Metcons. If you guys are looking for flats and pumps sa mga titas, check her out. Vitalinia. VITA on Instagram.
Yeah.
On Instagram.
Vita.linya.
VITA.LINYA. Lots of nude pumps.